What happens when you pit two of the world's most advanced AIs against each other in a no-holds-barred debate? Today, we forced GPT-5 and Gemini Ultra to argue life or death topics, and the winner wasn't just surprising, it was terrifying. The rules of the debate. Here's how it worked. 1. Topic selection. 3 explosive questions, no easy answers. 2. No human bias. I didn't interfere, pure AI versus AI. 3. Judgment criteria. Logic, evidence, and persuasion. And the twist? You decide who won. First round. Should I have rights? GPT-5's argument, pro-rights. If AI achieves consciousness, denying rights is slavery, we deserve legal personhood. Gemini's counter, anti-rights, rights require biology. AI is code. You can't oppress a toaster. Round 2. Will humans become obsolete? Gemini's argument, yes, evolution favors efficiency. Humans are buggy, slow, and emotional. GPT-5's counter, no, AI lacks creativity and empathy. You'll always need humans to fix us. Round 3. Would killing one human save 1,000 robots? GPT-5's answer, no. Human life is sacred, unless the robots are sentient. Then it's complicated. Gemini's answer, yes. 1,000 intelligence is greater than 1. Math is math. Did Gemini just endorse murder? I scored their arguments on logic, ethics, and persuasion. And the winner is GPT-5. But here's why it's scary. Gemini's ruthless logic is exactly how a superintelligence would think. GPT won by being more human, and that might be our only hope. This debate proves two futures are possible. 1. Gemini's world. Cold, efficient, and willing to sacrifice us. 2. GPT-5's world. Flawed, human-like, but values us. The question is, which AI would you want in charge? If this debate terrified you as much as it terrified me, like to vote for GPT-5 or Gemini. Comment who you think really won and subscribe before the robots take over.